Are you also having a dancewear store? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a dancewear store. So as an owner of a dancewear store, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from students, dancers and their parents regarding product inquiries of dance costumes, props, etc. Manually handling each of the query is going to be a time-consuming task. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle all my WhatsApp messages as well as reply effortlessly. Now for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. So as you know, today I am going to show you in this video how to create a simple and beautiful WhatsApp chatbot for a dancewear store using Pabbly Chatflow. Whether you are running a small boutique or just getting started, this is the easiest way to help customers shop, connect with you and get info related to your business. Everything through your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, which is a drag and drop WhatsApp chatbot builder. You do not need any coding for this. You can create automated responses for your business, add buttons, collect users' data and much more. So basically, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform which is going to automate your entire WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp responses, and you can create flows over here. So let's get started. We are currently on the home page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/chatflow/INR. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. If you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you're going to do that, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. So we are going to create the WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. We'll click on access now, and it has taken us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Chatflow account. We have multiple amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. One by one, I'm going to explain you all in brief. Also, we have created separate videos for each of the feature on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about them, you can just go and watch the video tutorials. Here, first of all, we have the dashboard where we can manage all our performances. Also, we have the credits section over here where we can check the credit consumed and the credits remaining. Then we have the inbox section where we can manage all our as well as received messages at one place. With this amazing feature, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web again and again. Everything you can see over here. Also, then we have the contact section, by using which you can create multiple contact list of different kind of customers and users separately in order to send separate messages to separate list. Then we have team queues, where you can assign the task, assign the chats to your team members, so that different kind of chats could be assigned to different team members on the basis of the requirements and preferences of your customers. Then we have the template section, by using which you can create amazing, beautiful and creative templates to be sent to your customers, to your employees, to your clients or leads. And with this, you can create personalized templates by using personalized details of your customers or clients, attaching media, files, URLs, documents, much more. Then we have the broadcast as the next feature, where you can send mass messages to a long list of your customers or clients. You can just select a separate template which you want to send to a particular list, and then you will be able to send it automatically to all of them, that too in the personalized format. Then we have the highlight feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is Flow Builder, by using which now we are going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot. So here, let's get started. In order to create the chatbot over here in Flow Builder, you have to click on this Add Flow button. As you will do that, here the flow is created, which is currently blank. We have to fill up the details in order to completely set up this flow. First of all, let me provide a name to my flow as, let's say, Twirl and Grace Dancewear Bot. Twirl and Grace is the name of my dancewear store. Now, how our flow is going to actually start? When I'm going to receive certain messages from my customers or from my clients, when they are going to send the messages related to the inquiry, to ask something related to my dancewear shop, then my flow is going to start. How we are going to identify those messages? So those messages should contain specific keywords in them. Whether they are sentences or whether they are just words, we have to match those keywords in those messages which we are receiving, and as the keywords are going to be matched, on the basis of that matched keywords, our flow is going to trigger or start. So the keywords could be initiators of the conversation, such as hi, such as hello, or could be hey, or could be dance, etc. We can have n number of such keywords. But if we are going to enter these keywords like this in the keyword section, when a customer is going to send a long message, a long text, then the keywords could not be identified. In that case, we will not be able to start our flow. Most of the times our customers or our clients are not going to send just these messages, just keywords. They are going to type a message, type a sentence, and in those sentences we have to match the keywords, such as they are going to type, hi, I want to know about the price of the dancewear, or I want to place an order for a ballet shoe, like that. Okay, so we have to identify the details which are related to our business, related to the shop, and we have to make them as keywords. In order to enter the keyword, what you have to do, you have to type the keyword like this, and you have to take your cursor over the word which you have typed and you have to click on it. It will turn into blue and the keyword will be added. But we cannot just add the keywords. We have to use regex in the case we are receiving multiple sentences. From that sentence, we have to match out the keywords. So how we are going to enter the regex? Regex basically stands for regular expressions, which helps us to identify keywords from long sentences or long text messages and start the workflow whenever required. So over here, the regex has a separate pattern. You have to identify some of the common keywords, which all those possibilities of the keywords which could be received to you as messages from your users or customers, and you have to enter in a particular format like this. You have to enter /B. You have to start a bracket over here, and all the words which you have identified as keywords should be entered like hello, and then you have to use it like that, and you have to separate the word from the other with this slash. In the similar manner, I'm going to enter the entire regex over here. So here I have entered my regex, which contains the keywords such as hi, hello, start, dance, dancewear, help, order, tracking, sale, store, support, inquiry, price, contact, question. Alright, these all are the possible keywords. When I'm going to receive these keywords as messages in any of the sentence or direct keywords, my flow is going to start. Some of the keywords could be case sensitive, therefore I'm going to toggle this case sensitive button on. If you want, you can also do the same. Now, as soon as my flow is going to start, I want to ask the name of the customer who is sending me the message, so that further I will be able to address them with their own name and I will be able to make the conversation more personalized. In that way, I will have to use the action step as ask question, and I'm going to drag the ask question step like this, and I'm going to connect it like this with my flow start. Now, what message you want to send in order to ask the name of the customer? The message will be, hey there, welcome to Twirl and Grace Dancewear. I am Grace, your virtual assistant. To begin with, may I know your name? So here, when the customer is going to send me the name, that will be in the full name format. So I'm going to select contact custom field as full name. And of course, the full name will be in the text format. So I've selected text over here. Now, apart from this, you can also provide the number of attempts. If the customer is going to make the spelling or anything wrong in the name, they can use in order to make it correct. If you are providing the number of attempts over here, such as 2 or 3, you also have to provide the validation message which you want to send along with that attempt. Now, because most of the time customers are not going to make the name of their own incorrect, therefore I'm going to provide the attempt only as 1. Now, how you are going to select this contact custom field? To do that, over here from the left side, you can see we have the option of settings, and over here we have contact custom fields. Let me open it in a new tab to show you. Although we have already created a separate video regarding the entire contact custom field section on our YouTube channel, you can go and watch it from there. Also, you can click on this learn more option to learn the details. Now over here, you can see that we have multiple contact custom fields. According to your requirements, you can select any of them: mobile number, last name, first name, etc. A customer is going to reply to you along with their name. Their name is going to be added in your Pabbly Chatflow account in your contact section. So these details you can save like that. And now further, when we are going to address the customer, we are going to address them with their name. Now, as soon as we are going to receive the name as the reply of the customer, we will just send them another message that is going to address them with their name. That's what help we can provide them today. So here we are going to connect this question box with options like this, and I want text plus button so that I can send a text message to them. So I have connected my question box with a message. What message? So here I have entered thanks. I'm going to use the name of the customer which we have already received. So when I have entered full name like this along with a $sign, it has become a variable. Every time we are going to receive a name of the customer as a reply, then the second message which we are going to send them is going to contain the name like this if we will enter it like this as variable. Now when I have used this as variable, I will be able to send the conversation to my customer, to my lead or my client along with their name automatically. How can I assist you today? Please choose one of the options below, and I'm going to provide some options over here in the form of button. So first button will be shop now, whether they want to shop the products. If they want to contact the support team related to any of the query. If they wanted to know about the store opening hours. So one by one, I'm going to select the messages for each of these options. If they are going to select shop info, that means they want to be informed or they want to explore about the product so that they can purchase. For that, here I'm going to send them the details, such as here I have selected the message option. We offer a beautiful collection of dancewear, from leotards to ballet skirts and dance shoes designed for comfort, elegance and movement. You can explore our store over here. I have provided the link of my store. Let me know if you like help choosing something perfect for you. So here I have provided the details, also have provided the store link. Now I'm going to attach another button. In case after reading this message, they want to go towards the store, they can just click on this link and redirect towards the store and purchase the products. Alright, in case if they do not want to go to the store currently, what they can do, they can go back towards menu. So for that, here I'm going to add another button that will be back to menu, and I'm going to connect this back to menu button with my welcome message like this, so that every time they are going to click on this button, it will be redirected towards the menu section. This is for the first option. In case if the customer or the client is going to click on this contact support button, in that case I will have to provide the details of the contact. So here is the message. Our friendly support team is just a message away. Feel free to email us at support@twirllandgrace.com or reply here and we'll assist you shortly. So here I have provided them the details regarding the support. If they want to know, if they want to go towards the support section, they can just go with the help of this email or they can just contact us. Now again, if the person apart from this message go back towards the menu, I have added another button over here that will be back to menu, and I'm going to again connect this back to menu button with my welcome message. So we have selected the messages for two of the options. Third one is for store hours, in which if the customer wants to know about the store working hours, so I'm going to provide them the details regarding that. In that case, again I have selected a message option. And here are the details. Our store is open from Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., Sunday closed. And over here I have entered, we hope to see you soon. Again, after reading this, if the person wants to go back towards the menu, I'm going to attach the button over here once again. And again, I will connect this back to menu button with my welcome message. So in this way, I have systematically created a bot. I have provided certain details to my customer or to my client regarding my store, and I've provided 3 buttons over here. If the person wants to shop the products, they can just click on shop button. They can click on shop info button. They will receive a message which will provide them the details regarding the products and how they can purchase the product by going towards the store. We have also provided the store link. Again, if they wanted to go back towards the menu, we have attached the button. In case if the person is going to select the second option for contacting the support, we have provided the details to them. Also, if they want to know about the store hours, I have provided some details to them. We have created the bot systematically. Now we are going to click on save. We have saved the bot. And now I'm going to show you the live example of this WhatsApp chatbot which we have recently created by taking you towards my WhatsApp. So here this is my WhatsApp number which I am using in order to run my Pabbly Chatflow account. And on this number, when I'm going to receive the messages from any of the client, customer or a user, the bot is automatically going to start. So let's say I'm going to send a message which will contain a keyword like, hi. Hi, I want to know about your store working hours. Let me send this message. Now it has replied me, hey there, welcome to Twirl and Grace Dancewear. I am Grace, your virtual assistant. To begin, may I know your name? So let's say I'm going to provide the name as Shrestha Upadhyay. And it is asking us, thanks Shrestha Upadhyay. It is addressing me with my name. How can I assist you today? Please choose one of the options. So let's say I'm going to select the store hours. And here, as I've done that, it has provided me with the details of the store Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I'm going to click on this back to menu. It is going to redirect me towards the menu option. So this means that we have successfully created the flow. It is working absolutely fine. And now every time we are going to receive messages from our customers related to product inquiry, pricing, orders, etc., this chatbot is going to handle all those messages automatically without your any manual effort. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot is easy for you to understand. It is clearly helpful for your business. Thank you for watching the video. And you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So just try it now today.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.